Ah, death by bat. How predictable and pathetic. No wonder she's bored with your sorry ass.
This ends now. Now shut up and fight me.
I don't fight like a man, cabron. I think like one. Right now, I'm thinking about how she's going to find you. Talking to yourself, holding a bat, threatening an innocent bird. What's that going to look like in divorce court?
Jesus Christ, Miguel, look at this place. Look at yourself.
He's been torturing me all day. He can talk. He's trying to steal you. Kick him to the curb and get with the bird.